Hello everyone, this is a love reading for Gemini for the month of July. This may not resonate with each one of you because this is a general reading and there is no sugarcoating here. They are honest readings. So please take whatever resonates with you. If you like the channel, please drop a comment and I would be very grateful to you for supporting my channel. So let's begin with Gemini. I will first of all do the reading for the Geminis. See what's the recent past. For the Geminis. What is the recent past? Okay, now the recent past two cards I've got is the Judgment and the Chariot in the reversed. These are the two cards which I've got for you, Gemini. So that means that you're having a major realization as to towards something. Someone is having a major realization, and because of which you're not able to move forward. So you are realizing something, you've got awareness about something. This is internal, this is an internal journey. So this you are realizing and you are thinking a lot about it, and because of which you are not able to move forward. Now let's do the current energy, or what is happening in the present moment for you. What's happening in the present moment for you, my Geminis? Let's see what's happening in the present moment. In the present moment, you have two of swords. So I think because of this realization, you have got clarity. You've got clarity on something in your relationship. You've got clarity what you have to do. Before you got very much closed off, but with the two of swords, something has come out before you. You have taken a decision as to what you have to do. This is in the present moment. And let's see what is in the near future. What is in the near future of the Geminis? What's going on in the near future? In the near future, you have Three of Pentacles. You want to work out on something, on the relationship maybe. It could be work related also. This Three of Pentacles shows collaboration, working in a teamwork. So you, in the near future, you will be working out on the relationship. You will be working with people, things like that, regarding a project or something, although it's a love reading. Now, please give me the overall energy, my love team, for the Geminis. Please give me the overall energy of the Geminis. What is the overall energy, my love team? Please give me the overall energy of the Geminis. What is the overall energy? The overall energy is King of Wands in the reverse. Give me another card. Okay, so the overall energy is like you want to work on things. You've got the Eight of Pentacles. You want to work on things, but you are not taking an action. This is what I see here, Geminis. You are not taking an action on something you have created, and you are a little passive about it. You do want to work things out, but you are not in a mood to take action. Now the zodiac signs which I can see here is that you could be dealing with a Cancer, you could be dealing with a Gemini, Aquarius, Libra also. You could be dealing with a Earth sign also, and that is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag. So this is what I have for you. So you're supposed to take action. You are not in the mood of taking an action towards the relationship you have created or something like that. Now let's see what's happening in your person's life. My love team, please give what's happening in the recent past, what's happened in the recent past, excuse me, in your person's life. Give me the recent past. Okay, so in the recent past of your person, we have 9 of Wands in the reverse, which means that your partner in the past has undergone a lot and they have learned a lot of lessons, and they have given up maybe on the relationship or something. They have given up on the relationship. They are no more fighting for it. They don't want to fight for it. This is what I see in the recent past. That they have already fought for the relationship, but it did not work out maybe, and so now they have given up on it. Now let's see what's happening in the current energy, what's happening in the present moment in your partner's life. Let's see what's happening in the present moment, my love team. In the present moment, Hanged Man, okay. You've got the Hanged Man. That means your partner too also is not taking an action towards a relationship. They are thinking a lot. They know very much what they want to do, but they are in suspension. They don't want to take action. And here you also seem to be in a mood not to take action, although you have also got clarity, but your person also doesn't want to take action. They don't want to work towards the relationship. I don't know why, what is the reason. Now please give the near future, my love team, for the Geminis, for the person. Please give the near future for the Geminis and the person. Okay, Geminis, your person is okay, very good. Here also you've got the 8 of Pentacles, but you've got the overall energy. And here also you've got the 8 of Pentacles. They are working on something. They are working, they are busy in their workplace. They may be working in the project, on some project, or in the office. They are busy. They are keeping themselves busy. They will be keeping themselves busy in the near future. They don't want don't want to take action towards a relationship. They will be keeping themselves busy in their work or something like that. Please give the overall energy of the person of the Geminis. So in the near future, they too will be working on something, keeping themselves busy, and you're also keeping yourself busy in something. You also don't want to, I think maybe there's some ego problem or something, or rather, this person has given up on the relationship and you have realized this. Okay, and now let's clarify the overall energy of your partner. Okay, oh my God, the overall energy is King of Wands reverse. You have also got the King of Wands in the reverse. Both of you don't want to take action. Both of you are busy in your own individual work. Please give me another card. Ace of Swords. Okay, so your partner wants the truth. Your partner wants the truth in the relationship. At the bottom of the deck, you have 3 of Wands on your side, and at the bottom of the deck, you have the 2 of Pentacles. At the bottom of the deck, the 3 of Wands means that you are no more waiting on on your partner. You were patiently waiting, but now you don't want to wait for them, and this person also has taken a decision because they want the clarity in their relationship. They want the truth in the relationship. That's why you both don't want to work towards a relationship. Something, some sort of clarity has come out, some sort of truth has come out in the relationship, and you've realized this. That's why you are not able to move forward. You're not taking the action, and this person is also not taking the action. And here also you seem to be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Also Aries, Leo, Sag is very strong here. And you're the air sign, you are an air sign, so Gemini, so there is an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy also here. So some sort of truth is coming, has already come out, and they are busy in their work. You're also busy, keeping yourself busy in the work, and you're not moving towards each other. This is the reading I have for you, my Geminis. I hope this resonates with you. It may not resonate with everybody because it's a generalized reading. And thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.